Hey, what's up, boys? We've been waiting for the long-awaited reveal. It's me again, Bug Boy. And today, I got the Mango Chainsaw Liquid Death. I've had this before, but it's been a long time, so I don't really remember what it tastes like. So here we go. Here we go. Salute! Skull! Oh, it's dangerously delicious. And if I would say so, magically delicious, yes. I'll rate this a, let me get another little sipski. Definitely better than Grapefruit. That shit sucked. Actual balls. So, I think this is above that. But still, they can't beat the Millionaire or whatever the hell it's called. The tea ones. The tea and lemonade one. That one's definitely my favorite. But, yeah, I give this one maybe like a... I'll be nice and give it a 6.